In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Pinterest and make use of some of its creative features. Whether you're new to Pinterest or just looking for a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the essentials to get you up and running efficiently on this highly visual platform. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your preferred web browser and go to Pinterest's website. You can do this easily by typing Pinterest into your search engine or entering the website URL directly if you know it. Once you've reached the home page, prepare to embark on your creative journey. Now that you're on Pinterest, the first thing you'll want to do is look to the upper right corner of the screen to find the plus icon. This button is your key to content creation. With a click, it opens up options to start crafting your own pins, boards, or perhaps even ads. This feature is incredibly handy whether you're looking to share your own ideas or organize your favorite finds from around the web. Choosing what to create is your next step. If you've clicked the plus icon, you'll see options to create a pin or a board. If you're focusing on a specific project or theme, creating a board can be incredibly useful. Boards act like digital mood boards or scrapbooks, helping you collect and manage ideas visually. For instance, you might create a board around a specific topic like garden design or healthy recipes. Think of them as themed folders for organizing your inspirations. If you're looking to create just a single pin to share something specific, maybe a recipe, a DIY project, or even an inspiring quote, then select the Create Pin option. Here you can upload an image or video, add a description, and provide any necessary links back to your content. This is your moment to craft a visually appealing post that catches the eye, complete with all the relevant information to engage your audience. While you're working on your creation, it's important to keep clarity and engagement in mind. Use high-quality images, be concise yet descriptive in your wording, and ensure your links are active and lead to the correct page. These tips will enhance user interaction with your posts and can help drive traffic or inspire others. Finally, once you've prepared your pin or board to your satisfaction, click Publish to share it with the Pinterest community. There's something incredibly satisfying about sharing your ideas and watching them spark creativity in others. With just these simple steps, you're now ready to start contributing to Pinterest's vibrant and vast network of inspiration. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're on your way to making the most out of Pinterest's creative offerings. Explore, create, and enjoy the journey of turning your ideas into something truly eye-catching. So get started today and see where your creativity takes you.